Dear Meryem, I truly believe I have found with you the missing piece of my heart. Now together, at last our hearts beat as one. I can't wait to see you in your stunning wedding dress. I hope I can remember what to say after you leave me speechless. Your loving husband-to-be, Robert. P.S. Love you, te amo.
You can blame me when I'm done. That was kind of my own fault. I kind of like stuck my head in there. No kidding.
I have known Meryem since I was 3 years old, and neither of us have a sister, but I think we could say for one another, we filled that sister role in one another's lives. And then the first time I guess we really parted ways was when she went to college at Westminster and I went to Delaware. But regardless of where life took us, music was that thing that grounded us and connected us. And I think for so many people that are here, that also remains true of just the power of music and how it's brought everybody together. And so, you know, Robert, you just make Meryem so happy. And again, for me to have a sister like that and to know how happy you make her, how happy you make her mother, and how much joy you've brought in her life is just the greatest, greatest thing.
Will you respect and love your husband, care for him, look after him in a heartwarming way, and do all that needs to be done that your marriage is blessed? Do you want to walk the way of life and faith together with your husband and be faithful to him? If this is your wish, then confirm this with a yes.
Yes.
And now there's something that I cannot do that only you can do, Robert. Is to kiss the bride. Because we all know what our strengths are. We all know what gives joy to the other. And that's why we are a couple, because those are the things that we want to accentuate and strengthen within ourselves.